In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your local website to your web host for free. Now, in an earlier video, I showed you how to create a free website using WordPress on your local computer without any web hosting, or you don't need a domain name. But today I'm going to show you how you can actually take that website and transfer it to your web host. All right, so let's get started. So I created a test website on my local Lightning server, basically, and created a test website right here. And I installed a free theme called Astra and installed the pre-designed template as well. So that's why it looks like this. Basic website, right? And then we are going to take this website and transfer it over to your web host. So I have my own hosting right now at a Name Hero, and I created a subdomain that we can transfer it to for free. But let's show you how I could do that. And there's a couple ways that you can do it. The easiest way I found for me and the most time efficient is to use this plugin called All-in-One WordPress Migration. You can download it right here and then install it to your WordPress, but the easiest way is just to go to Plugins, Add New, right here, type in All-in-One, search for it, and then you can go ahead and install, activate. And it's pretty quick when it's hosted local on your own computer. Things do take time to update. I'll just go ahead and cut the video. So now that we have it installed, you can see that right here. It'll install like a little thing on the side of your WordPress website that you just go to. So this is kind of the trickier part. The only tricky part that you need to know is that you'll need to find this part of your website right here. You copy it and paste it here. So you'll need to have your website set up on your web host, and you'll have to basically have an empty WordPress installation. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go to our cPanel. We're going to go to WordPress install it. We're going to go select HTTPS. I set up this test one right here and delete that so it's in the main directory. We're going to call this my test website, test. Let's call this test admin, testing 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go all the way to the bottom and hit install. And we're going to wait for this to go. After it's done, it'll say, it's been successfully installed. You can go ahead and check the links. This is what it looks like, a plain empty WordPress website. But we're going to go into the admin. Okay? So now that we're in the admin, what we need to do first is copy this part of the URL, because we're going to need to come back to our local one that we had installed. And now that we have the subdomain set up and everything for the new installation, we can come back to our local website that we're going to be transferring, and we need to export it. So we need to find all of the instances in like your database that say our local website. So you just need to do the local part right here and then paste the new one. But since this is going to be on your local server, it's an HTTP right now, and we're going to be changing it to HTTPS. So we're replacing everything that's on your database that shows this to this. That's all it is. So, and then once we're going to export, we go to File and click File. It's going to prepare it, and then you hit Download. And that's where you get this. It'll be instantly, since it's already on your computer, to download it and hit Close. All right, now that we have it downloaded, we're just going to go back to our new website, our main website where it's going to be on our web host. And we have to install that same plugin. So just go to Add New, All-in-One, search, install. Activate. Great. So now we have that installed, and then you just have to go back to this plugin on your new website and go import. Now normally all you have to do is go here and drag it to the drag and drop, but because our web host only allows 8 megabytes, you have to do this quick workaround. So you can click this real quick, and it'll give you a couple ways to do it, but I think this is the easiest way. You download this plugin. It's a basic plugin as well, and you download that. Come back to your website, go to plugins, add new, upload, drag this to choose file, install, activate that plugin. Basically it makes it so that you can upload more. So now I can do 512 megabytes. So now I can actually upload this file that we first downloaded from our local, drag it there. It's going to prepare it. It takes a minute or two, depending on your upload speed as well. So we're going to wait for that. It's going to prepare to install it. And then once this part, there's no coming back, so you hit proceed. Now it's installing all of your files that you just uploaded and changed all of the instances of your local. And this part kind of takes a bit too. But now it's successfully imported. Finish it. Now that it's finished, you can actually go to your website, and there it is. You just successfully transferred your website in a couple minutes. So you can do that with the local. You can do it from any web host or anything like that, but as long as you have your web host set up and your local website ready to transfer, all you need is that one plugin, well, 2 plugins, and then you're good to go. If you found this video helpful and would like more tutorials and tips on how to create a website, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.